ready to supercharge your Shopify dropshipping with powerful automation. Let's connect your AutoDS account to Shopify in just a few simple steps. First things first, log into your AutoDS account once you're in. Locate the Stores or Integrations section in the left-hand menu. This is where all your connected e-commerce platforms will live. Within the Stores section, you'll see an option to Add Store or Connect New Store. Click on that to begin the process of linking your Shopify platform. AutoDS supports multiple platforms, so on the next screen, you'll need to select Shopify from the list of available e-commerce channels. This tells AutoDS you're setting up a Shopify connection. Now, AutoDS will likely ask you to either log in directly to your Shopify store or provide specific connection details if prompted to log in. Simply use your Shopify store's email and password if it asks for API keys or store information. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully within your Shopify admin to generate and copy those details. Once you've successfully entered your Shopify credentials or API information, AutoDS will verify the connection. You should then see your Shopify store appear in your AutoDS stores list, usually with a confirmation or a green status indicator. Congratulations! Your AutoDS and Shopify accounts are now seamlessly integrated. This opens up a world of possibilities, like automatically syncing products, finding reliable suppliers, and staying on top of your inventory and pricing in real-time. Happy dropshipping!